Hello everyone, so for today's DIY project, I found this piece of wood right at Michael's, and what I really liked about it was that the edge of it sat a little higher than the back piece of the wood. So I started by painting it using Antique Villa from Wise Owl, and I did 2 coats. And I let this dry. Next I took this screen adhesive stencil that I found at Michael's, and I placed it in the center of my board. Once I had it in place, I took a little foam brush and some black Wise Owl paint, and I just wiped right over the adhesive screen stencil. While the paint was still wet, I took really fine gold glitter and I put it just over the word sparkle. And then I dabbed my finger on top and dumped the excess off. Now for this next part, I'm going to be using some epoxy resin. Make sure you put some gloves and a mask on. And if you've never used this before, it comes in 2 parts, a part A and a part B. And one of the most important things is that you mix equal parts. So I had this glass here that had a white line, and I filled it to the white line with 2 glasses of part A, and then I did 2 glasses of part B and mixed it all into 1 cup. You want to mix it really well, not too fast, but you want to mix for about 5 minutes. Once it was all mixed, I took some chunky glitter and sprinkled it across my board, and I dumped the epoxy starting in the center. Now I didn't mix enough, so I did 2 more glasses of part A and 2 more glasses of part B and mixed it together again for about 5 minutes. For the epoxy to cure properly, it's important that you take the time to mix equal parts and stir it. Once I had it all mixed, I went and I dumped it back into the center of my board. And then I also went around and filled in where the epoxy wasn't reaching. This will sit overnight and harden, and then you have yourself a cute little trinket tray. You can put your coins, jewelry, or keys on. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go and check out our YouTube channel and subscribe while you're there. Have a great weekend.